Okay, so back to me. What did you come up with? Are these two the same volume, Jojo?
No.
How do you know?
Because since we're not doing our packing, we're basically doing the packing still. But even though we did know 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch, it would take 240 to pack the 10, the 4, and the 6, the first box, and then it would take 480 to do the second box. So the difference would be 240.
Okay, so I'm going to stop you there, and I want to go over to this side because we had some conversation. I'm going to back up a little bit because you came to the what and the why. Over here, what about the how? So when you started thinking of the volume, what was your first step in kind of calculating that? Ariana?
The base.
What about the base?
Well, you could be able to find the base. If you find the base, you would be able to find the whole entire volume of the shape.
How could you use that base to find the volume?
Well, if the base is multiple layers, so there's going to be multiple layers, you'll be able to find one. If you multiply it by the height, you'll be able to find the volume.
Awesome. Do you want to add on to that?
Yeah. So if you just another have 4 for the width, so you could 10 rows of 4.
Okay. So if you took 10,
4 rows of 10.
okay. If you did that and had your base, what would your base be?
Your base would be 40.
And then if you are going with what Ariana said and using multiple layers, and you know your base is 40, how many layers do you need for the first prism, Jason? So if you have a base of 40 and you're using that to use the layers and you have multiple layers, how would you use the base to find the rest of the volume?
You would multiply it by how many layers you have.
And how many do you have?